The name of my project is Fire Alarm System. Here you can see all the components. Now I am connecting the components with wire. Here we are almost done with our wiring, and now we are done. So here, after completing the wiring, you can see the green light is blink on, and the heat sensor is 0 and the smoke sensor is 0. When I change the heat sensor to 1, the red light is on, and I and when sorry and when I change the smoke sensor to 1, the red light is also on. But when I change both of them to 1, the only the red light is on, and now you can see the red light is blinking. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Assalamu alaikum.